What you doing, bub? It's okay. You don't know him. You don't know. What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
I swear, if it's like a baby chicken.
What the hell? The hell? What is that?
It's a second chicken.
It was pregnant.
That's the saddest thing I've ever. Oh my god!
Fucking that shit up.
What are you doing, Uncle Jack?
I'm gonna pull the turkey out. It's just
That prepare this food and bless it for her body in your name. Amen. I pledge allegiance